Hello and welcome to Spur. Today, we'll be discussing about something that affects a majority of people in the workforce. Burnout. With the daily hustle and bustle of work, it's easy to get burned out and feel overwhelmed. It can lead to disaster both in your personal and professional work life. But fret not. We've got some tips and tricks to help you manage work burnout and recharge yourself. So, let's get started. Number 1. Recognize the signs of burnout. It's important to recognize the signs of burnout before you can effectively manage it. Burnout can manifest itself in a variety of ways, such as constant exhaustion, anxiety, and lack of motivation. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's time to step back and take action. Number 2. Prioritize your workload. Organize your to-do list and identify tasks that can wait while prioritizing the urgent ones. This will help you manage your workload effectively and reduce overwhelm. Take breaks between work tasks. And don't forget to reward yourself for completing important milestones. Number 3. Set boundaries. Creating a healthy work-life balance is important in avoiding burnout. Set boundaries by establishing specific work hours and sticking to them. Make sure to take time off and have non-work related hobbies to keep your mind fresh and reduce stress. Number 4. Practice self-care. Self-care is essential in managing burnout. Take some time off to exercise, meditate, or read a book. These practices help reduce stress, increase energy. Number 5. Ask for help. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you feel overwhelmed. Collaborate with coworkers on projects, delegate tasks if possible, and learn to say no when your workload is too much. Reach out to friends and family for emotional support. Burnout is common, but it doesn't have to consume you. Recognize the signs early. Prioritize your workload. Set boundaries. Practice self-care. And don't hesitate to ask for help. By doing these things, you'll be able to manage work burnout effectively and be more productive in the long run. Thank you for watching, and we hope these tips serve you well. Hit the like button and share the video with others. Don't forget to subscribe to Spur for more life-changing content like this. Hit the bell icon that you won't miss any updates from Spur. See you in next video.